Alright guys, so I'm going to make a quick video. If we look down here, let's see if I can get the camera positioned correctly. So if we look down here, right here is where your shifter cables go for your manual transmission on and basically any of your Abarth. Sometimes those bushings go bad, and so the video I want to make real quick is a picture of the bushings. So it's pretty simple. These are how the old like I guess ring you'd say. There's a technical term for this. So these are the new bushings, and basically then they go in here. It's pretty simple. To take these old ones out, you could either pound them out. I took a torch and actually it kind of just came off. Just kind of scraped a little bit and cleaned it off with a Dremel real quick, because old gasket, well, not old gasket, old bushing is it's old. So fix these up. This could be a big problem with the people with shifting problems or anything like that. Because my bushings are bad, and this kit's only 39 bucks. Sometimes you can find it on sale. It's really simple. It's a pretty simple fix. Just make sure you mark the spot on the nut and the screw at where it was at, because you don't want to mess up any shifts. But if you have problems with shifting and you can't figure out why, it's not your transmission, it's not your clutch or anything like that, it could be one of these. Because if the bushing's bad and it's like, let's say the bushing's in here and it's swaying around, has room for play, that could be a problem. Because maybe you don't grind all the time, maybe sometimes you do. And these little polyurethane bushings, well, these ones are more like hardened plastic, I suppose. But sometimes these bushings go bad. The plastic, rubber, heat, and all that stuff breaks these things down. So this could be a big problem, and I recommend replacing these. Absolutely, these ones are way better than the factory ones, and it's a really cheap replacement, quick fix, and that could be fixing a lot of problems. So check that out. It's underneath the battery. The battery is super easy to remove. Just 3 or 4 bolts. They're all 13 millimeter sizes with a 10 for the connection itself, and they're right down there. I just had to remove the throttle body piping, inlet intercooler piping that goes to the throttle body. Other than that, it's good to go.